Good morning, ID 5010 students. I hope you are staying warm. I just saw that the current temperature at Plymouth is 6 degrees, which is very cold. So you'll notice there are a lot of resources in our class. I like to make sure that you have access to as much information as you can. The resources are typically just short, quick little reads, but I know that everybody pays really good money for their tuition, so I want to give you the most I can during our time together. Also wanted to mention for the project, please know that you're just making a plan. The design plan is critical in order for a really good course to be built, which is why we spend an entire class really narrowing down and nailing down a solid design plan. And so you're not going to build a course in our work. You are literally just coming up with the plan, but that takes a lot of work and actually probably takes the most work in the entire course design process. At least it should if the course is going to be a really good course. Please be sure to ask questions. I really encourage you to use Voxer. It's pretty real time and you can see when I've read the message, and sometimes I may not have an answer to your question right then, but I can at least let you know when to expect an answer, which can be helpful as you're managing your time. I know many of you are working, and so it's, you have to work on your schoolwork during certain gaps in your schedule. And finally, there are a lot of links in our course. I've checked everything. Right now it's working, but links can go down anytime. So if you find that a link isn't working, please be sure to let me know. I hope you have a great day and stay warm.